I, Rehana Kasri, representing Bright Star International School, Bilimora, would like to explain you the topic shapes and designs of maths subject in maths textbook, page number 17. Now I will continue next exercise, floor patterns. Have you ever seen a floor which has design? Okay, so we have to see of this type of floor design. So many houses. Do you know how these designs are made? These designs are made by covering the floor completely with small tiles that fit into each other without any gaps. For example, look at the shape of this tile and see how it fits. Okay, this type of shapes है one horizontal and one straight. Okay, one horizontal and one straight. This type the tiles are fit, so no one in gap in these tiles, no one gap of these tiles. This type of floors we have to see so many houses. Okay, and these tiles that have no gap, one is horizontal, one straight, one horizontal, again one straight. These tiles are fit. Now look at these tiles with 6 sides. Okay, now look at these tiles that have 6 sides. Look, counting 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, these tiles have 6 sides. This is the hexagon type tiles. This shape is hexagon. See how tiles of this shape can cover the floor completely without any gap. Okay, so see here, these tiles are fit completely without any gap. 2 tiles in between, 1 tile kept it. Again 2 tiles in between, this fit is 1 tiles. So no one has gap of these tiles, and that looking also very beautiful. Now among the following, can you match the tiles with the designs that they will make on the floor? Draw line to match. Okay, now we have to start here. This is the hexagon type style. Hexagon types of have no tiles. How many? 2 is red color and 2 is the white color of squares. Okay, square, that is the, this is the 2 is the white color of, sorry, here is the 2 white color of square and 2 triangle is the red color. Okay, 2 is the white color of square and 2 triangle is the red color. So we have to match of these tiles to here. Okay, now we have to see in here this square that have 1 2 3 4. Red is the fourth triangle. Fourth triangle has the color is red and fourth triangle's color is white. So which style is this type? This one. So we have to match off these styles. Now next in here have 3 triangles. One triangle is big. And 2 is the right angle triangles. 1 2 and 3 triangles, that is the red color, and 3 triangles is the white colors. Okay, now here see 1 triangle is big, 2 is the right angle type of triangles, and 3 is the red color triangles, and 3 is the white color triangles. This one big and this 2 is the right angle type of triangles. Okay, so now this joint of these tiles. Now this next last here triangle shape, 3 triangles and 1 in between red triangles. Okay, so match of these triangles. Okay, now you can also make your own tiles and use them to make your own tiling patterns. Okay, if you want, you make these different types of designs. Okay, you will find some such tile at the end of the book that you can cut out, trace and color. Okay, in the book last page that have given some tiles design, so you cut out that you trace, and that is color. If whatever like that color that you fill up. Okay. Now second, complete the following tiling patterns. Okay, these tiling patterns completed. This is your homework that you do yourself. Okay, one tiles is red color, then pink color too. Here two red color tiles, again two pink colors, red color tiles. So again you have to draw in between these pink color tiles. Okay, this is your homework that you do yourself. Now next, complete the pattern. Compare it with the pattern on page 70, which also use six-sided shapes. What is the difference between the two? Okay, page number, this is the page number 72. Here have this type of pattern, and the same 17 that also have pattern, but 17 pattern that is the tiles are fit to each other. Okay, no one this gap, no one is distance. And look at here have feet of the tiles, this hexagon tiles, this is the hexagon tiles. Here these tiles are interconnected with each other sides. So directly various two triangles appear between the hexagon. These two hexagon that between two triangles will be appear. Okay, so this type interconnected of these tiles. So two hexagons in between two triangles appear. Okay, this fill up. This is also your homework that you fill up at homework. Okay, this is fill up. Now next, Khushbu and Rahim live in Agra. One day they went to see the Taj Mahal. The floor had the pattern shown below. Okay, Khushbu and Rahim live in Agra. One day they went see the Taj Mahal. Which type floor is pattern? Both are seen of this type of floor patterns. So Khushbu say, I can see two different tiles in this pattern. Rahim say, I think only one type of tiles has been used. What do you think? Discuss with your friends. Okay, now you tell me, this board is a different two type of patterns, two type of different tiles in this pattern, or one type of tiles has been used. So children, answer will come, this is only use one type of tiles. Okay, I think only this is the use of one type of tiles. One is kept horizontal type and one is kept vertical. One is kept horizontal type and one is kept straight line. This type straight type. Okay, vertical type, horizontal, and this is the straight type. Okay, now next, telling time. The patterns below are made from these tiles of this type. In this pattern, three colors have been used to make it look like steps. Okay, here is pattern of these three colors have been used. Now look at here, three color. How to this? One is the green color, this is the brown color, and here is light brown color, here dark brown colors. Okay, now here by using two colors it become two different patterns. Here is uses the this orange color and blue colors. Okay, now use different color combination to make your own patterns. So children, this is also your homework. You use of the different color and you make different patterns. Okay, now have you seen this shape in any other design on a wall, a dress, on a basket, or mat, etc.? So yes, I have seen of this type of design on a wall also, dress and basket, or on a basket also, or a mat also. Okay, this type of design we have to see in this dress, mat, walls, Okay, sweet also we have to see of this type of design. Okay, now we have to see now this type of design. Shapes, this type of design shape we have to see a sweets also. So children, this homework you have to do in your textbook. Thank you. Thank you children.